tip on sizing water softeners. What size fits the needs that you've got in your house? What size fits the plumbing requirement in your house? So there's a couple of different parameters that you need to follow if you want to size the equipment correctly. If you go with a system that is too small, it's like putting a 4-cylinder engine in a big Suburban or a large pickup. It will work, but you're going to wear the engine out very quickly. So the size of the tank and how much resin is inside is a good starting point for what size equipment you need. The larger the tank, usually the more resin and the more capacity. So a larger tank would be for a family of 3, 4, or larger. And there's usually 3 to 4 tanks that we choose from on a regular basis. Just a family of 2 could go with one slightly smaller, maybe this size right here. Because the demand of water each day, the grains of hardness that you're trying to remove are all factors in sizing the correct equipment. So first we need to know how hard your water is, how many people are in the family, and then the third parameter is flow rate. Again, all of our equipment is 1 inch fully ported to meet all the housing codes that are in place right now, the plumbing codes. So we're not going to reduce the amount of water going into the house like some of the other equipment on that market. We'll have a 3/4 inch through here, which you're going to reduce flow tremendously. So when you're trying to size equipment, just give us a call, reach out to us. We can help you decide which size is proper for you, not too small and not too large. So just give us a call with any questions. We're here to help. Thanks.